Hello kids, welcome to social science class. Today I am going to explain you chapter number 8, Reaching Grandmother's House. Let's start with aims of the lesson. To know about state Kerala, to enhance the knowledge about different transport, to know about relationship in family. Before starting mind mapping, let's recap chapter number 6, Omana's journey, and chapter number 7, From the Window, as they are related with this chapter. In previous chapters, Omana was going to her Amma's place by a train with her family to Kerala. As her friend was unable to go, she was writing diary for her. They went to railway station. Dhokla with chutney and some rice was packed by Amma. She met two children, Sunil and Anne, in the train and they became her friends. They were going to Kozhikode, which is in Kerala. Valsad was the station where train stopped for 2 minutes. Omana saw brown and dry fields and many small villages from the window. Early in the morning, on second day of their journey, train reached Madgaon station, which is in Goa. When she looked out of the window, now the scene outside changed gradually. Now she saw green fields with red soil, green crops, hills covered with trees and small ponds. Now train passed through a river on a long bridge. She saw some fishermen and small boats in the river. The train also passed through 92 tunnels and crossed 2000 bridges. After Udupi station, scene changed again. Now there were paddy fields and coconut trees everywhere. At around 6 o'clock, Sunil and Anne get off at Kozhikode, and after 3 hours later, the train reached Kottayam. Here, Omana's family get off. They took 2 rickshaws and reached Valyamma's village. So, dear kids, I explained you chapter number 6 and chapter number 7 in brief. Now let's proceed further to chapter number 8, Reaching Grandmother's House. Let's start with mind mapping. Mind mapping. Reaching Grandmother's House. Luggage, ferry, crowded, island, Kottayam. At 9 p.m., Omana's family got off at Kottayam railway station. After a long journey of train, they took 2 auto rickshaws to go to Valyamma's house, which was not far from the railway station. So kids, at 9 o'clock, after 2 days journey in a train, Omana's family got off at Kottayam railway station. Kottayam is in Kerala, and after that they took 2 auto rickshaw to go to Valyamma's house. Next morning, which was the third day of Umana's journey, they all woke up early and reached the bus station. Her father bought 10 tickets from the bus conductor. The bus was very crowded. Due to crowd, people shared seats. As they were in Valyamma's house, now next morning they started journey for Ammamma's house. So in the morning they got up and Umana's father brought 10 tickets from the bus conductor. And it was very crowded in the bus. So everybody shared the seat. After a long ride, bus reached the last stop. The bus dropped passengers by the waterside. As you can see in the picture, kids, bus stop has shown, and in another picture which is on left side, water side is shown. Umana became very happy. She thought, now we have reached Ammamma's place. But again they have to sit in another transport. They had to cross huge water body to reach Ammamma's house. So you can see in the picture, kids, it's a picture of ferry. Umana saw a ferry approaching the bank of the river. What do you mean by ferry? Ferry, a mean of water transport used by people to cross the river and reach the other side. Now they have to go by ferry, a water transport, to reach Ammamma's place. Immediately from the ferry, big crowd of people started getting off. Before getting into ferry, everyone paid fare. Have you seen tickets? These are tickets. As soon as the ferry got empty, passengers moved in it. Dear kids, as in Kerala there are many water bodies, so they use boats, vallam, ferry, cruise to go from one place to another. Very soon the ferry was full and started moving. Umana stood near the railing. In the picture, kids, you can see this is a railing and the ferry started moving. She saw the rippling of still water as the ferry moved. Dear kids, what do you mean by rippling? Rippling means flowing of water in small waves. It was moving smoothly on water. She was looking and she was very happy after seeing the place. There were rows of coconut trees on the bank of the river. Now, dear kids, as Umana started her journey from the Gandhidham, which is in Gujarat, but there she haven't seen coconut trees. But here everywhere there were coconut trees. And from Gujarat to reach Kerala, she has to cross many states like Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, etc. So the train which started from Gujarat passed from many states. So the scene changed one by one at every state. As the ferry moved swiftly, Umana saw people fishing, washing and bathing along the bank of the river. As you can see in the picture, kids, the people are fishing and bathing on the bank of the river. Just before the sunset, Fairy reached an island on which Amumma's house was located. Now, kids, do you know the meaning of island? A piece of land that is surrounded by water is known as island. As you can see in the picture, this is a land and it is surrounded by water. Omana was very happy on reaching her Amumma's house after 3 days long and interesting journey. She spent 2 days in a train and 1 day in bus, ferry and auto rickshaw. So dear kids, as Omana's father took the tickets at many places, when they are coming by railway station, they took a ticket. When they were going by a ferry, there also they took a ticket. In the same way, there are many places where we have to buy tickets like museum, historical sites, circus, theatre, cinema hall. Now kids, in this chapter, you come to know about 2 states in Kerala. One state is Kottayam, where Omana's family reached and got off, and other is Kozhikode, where Sunil and Anne's family got off. So the 2 cities in Kerala are Kottayam and Kozhikode. Now let's learn new terms. Valiyamma. Mother's elder sister is known as Valiyamma. Amamma. Mother's mother is known as Amamma. Ferry. A means of water transport used by people to cross the river and reach other side is called ferry. Journey. The act of travelling from one place to another. Island. A piece of land that is surrounded by water is defined as island. As you can see in the picture, kids, this is a piece of land and it is surrounded by water from all the sides. So dear kids, I hope the chapter is clear to you. Thank you.